For almost 2.5 decades, I have been mentoring students for success in academics and in life. I have been using result-oriented methodologies and a personalized guidance approach to bring out the very best in students and achieve outstanding results. I am working hard to ensure what my children or students are up to and how best to help them. I will definitely ensure to take my students on a voyage to the depth of physics, imparting crystal clear concepts and incisive problem solving skills. The main purpose would be to replace rote learning by joyful, deeper learning. And contrary to the unhealthy cramming, my transparent and easy-paced approach will definitely rekindle love for physics. The classroom is the heart of every student. It is an unforgettable place that a student remembers throughout his entire life. It has a wonderful impact upon students for the rest of life. As the classroom is on the ground floor, the room is very peaceful and cozy. The interior walls of my classroom are well decorated with motivational quotations and paintings. These quotations help the students to develop a passion for life, a desire to reach their full potential, and to have a lifelong love of learning. The classroom will ensure that the students keep their focus right and be able to get their work done without being overwhelmed by the stress. The classroom is very attractive, spacious, airy, and ventilated. Adjacent to the whiteboard lies the portrait of Goddess Saraswati. Goddess Saraswati is considered as the goddess of knowledge, music, arts, science, and technology. Let's seek the blessings of the goddess to get enlightened with knowledge and to get rid of lethargy, sluggishness, and ignorance. Young children learn and develop at different rates, and the learning cannot be defined by any single assessment. This specialized coaching here paces its learning through regular tests. The notes that will be provided on every topic will be simple, relevant, and easily understandable. It can actually withstand the toughest competition and still give the child a clear-cut approach to solve the complex problems with utmost ease and confidence. I will be emphasizing on experiential learning through technology-aided teaching to enhance the retention of students and also to make the learning curve interesting. Students will be provided links of my recorded lectures of modules, and I will be covering the same topic in the class as well, thus and thereby ensuring a higher level of interaction and knowledge flow. So actually it will ensure physics at the student's place and at student's pace.